Welcome, and thank you for your purchase. This video shows how to construct a hose bib assembly typically used with a 3/4 inch supply line irrigation system. Before you begin, inventory the parts to assure that your shipment is complete. To begin, wrap all male fittings 8 to 10 times with Teflon tape and align the fittings and components as shown here and in the assembly guide included with the product. Examine the Y filter to determine the direction of the water flow and thread the brass hose fitting onto the inlet or supply end of the Y filter. Carefully tighten using an adjustable wrench. At the outlet end of the Y filter, attach a T-fitting. Next, thread the 3/4 inch nipple adapter into the T-fitting. Carefully tighten using an adjustable wrench. Install the pressure regulators so the arrow on the regulator points in the direction the water flows. To prevent damage to these and other components, do not over-tighten. Add the 3/4 inch nipple adapter and tighten. Next, add another T-fitting to the assembly. Finally, thread the PVC adapter into the T-fitting and tighten. Next, thread a bushing into the T-fitting closest to the Y filter and tighten. Install the WR4060 2-inch pressure gauge and tighten. Thread a bushing into the T-fitting closest to the PVC adapter and tighten. Install the WR4067 2.5 inch pressure gauge. Carefully tighten using an adjustable wrench. Finally, attach the shutoff valve to complete the hose bib assembly. Verify that all connections are snug, and if needed, carefully tighten using an adjustable wrench. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service department at 1-800-245-9881.